again, everybody. This is Lynette with the Skin Candy. Thank you so much for joining me again today on another one of our Soapy Time adventures. We are continuing our fall soap series, and the second soap that I'm going to be making, which, oh yes, I was thinking I didn't bring it up, is Harvest Moon. So I'm still doing smaller batches, so I only got a couple of sample bottles, 1 ounce bottles. These are from Nature's Garden. So I'm going to be using that today in my fragrance, for my fragrance and my soap. I am not sure how this is going to turn out. So, it says it soaps well, but nothing's been soaping well lately. I feel like none of the oils have been working and everything seems to be thickening up. So, I am going to do an in the pot swirl today. I am going to be using, for my base, I'm going to be using activated charcoal, which I have dispersed in oil. For my colors, I am going to be using, it's a mixture of Harold's Purple Crayon and charcoal to make it a darker purple. It's really hard to tell in there. We are going to be using, not Brick House, not Angry Rose, oh gosh, Spicy Tomato. No. Maybe it is Angry Rose. I can't remember. Spicy Tomato, I think, is what it is. And with a little bit of charcoal in it. I also did some orange and put a little bit of charcoal in it. You can't really see it. It's kind of hard to tell. But I did put a little bit of charcoal in it. I'm not sure if I'm excited about that color. And then I also have Satin Penny, which I love. So I don't know. I'm not even quite sure how they're going to look. But this is called Harvest Moon. But the soap is going to be called Autumn Moon, because I don't know. I wanted to name it something different. So I think we've got everything ready. So our extra additive that we're going to be adding to this is going to be the activated charcoal. And I am going to be, I'm going to be hand stirring. I'm going to mix in my lye very, very, very gently. And then I'm going to be hand stirring in each pot. So I'm going to be adding in my soap to each one of these, 3 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 of them. And then my activated charcoal go in here. And then I'm going to actually add my fragrance oils to the containers after I've mixed in my colorant. And I'm going to do that by hand. So without further ado, let's get soaping. Kind of morphing. Let's see what happens. see this is starting to go to a medium to thick trace. And that is because of the activated charcoal will thicken your batch. But the rest of these are still pretty runny, but we're gonna go ahead and put it in there anyways. So I'm gonna start bottom and go to the top. I'm just gonna put one in each corner. I'll put that one in the middle. I don't know how these are gonna turn out for colors. We'll see. Ooh, my purple really went dark. Oh, because and it actually turned gray. I don't know if you can see that. It's kind of morphed into a gray. I hope that it turns into a purple. But if not, we'll just, gray and black skies. Sure. Looks more like fall feels. More fallish than, I don't know, autumn moonish. I guess we'll see tomorrow. So, here we are. Another scary top. Autumn moon. And we will see you tomorrow for the cut. Okay, we're back. We are going to be cutting the Autumn Moon cold process soap. Now, to be honest, I am not sure how this is going to turn out. If you remember, we had quite a bit of acceleration with this soap. This top went quite firm before I was able to do much of it on the top. I was not happy with that, but it smells so good that I don't know if I care. So we'll probably do something a little bit different with the top for regular orders, but for right now, just with this test batch, I'm okay with it. I'm happy with it. It doesn't look too horrible. This is the one we did lots of activated charcoal, and then we did a drop swirl, and then a hanger swirl. Oh my gosh. Okay, so full disclosure here, people. I did 5 soaps in one night. So now I'm getting confused as to which technique I did on each one. So if you can't remember, then go backwards. Just go to the beginning. And then you can see what I did for sure. So, this has been sitting for a couple days, so it's nice and it came out really smooth, so I'm really excited. These will be available at the time that this post goes up. These will already be in my shop. Will be in our Shopify shop, Etsy shop, and also on our Fair wholesale website. So it's faire.com/theskincandy. We have been on there for a few months, beginning of, I think, the beginning of June, maybe May. So far we're really enjoying it. We're getting a lot of business, a lot of pickup. So this is not as fabulous as I wanted it to be. So I might be changing some colors around. So if you can see right here, this gray, I accidentally used the wrong purple. I used a purple called Tempest from Mad Micas. And I've used this one before and it morphed into gray and it doesn't change. And it I didn't realize it had the tempest in it until after I was done and it morphed into gray. And I was kind of hoping I was just seeing things. This kind of does look like a really wickedy sky kind of thing. So it might grow on me. I wanted a little more purple in it, but I was also looking for more like a moon. I don't know. If you guys have any thoughts, let me know, some ideas. To be honest, this was the one I was probably the most excited about seeing, and it's the one that's just the ugliest. So this one doesn't look like I did the hanger swirl on this, so now I don't even know what I did. I don't know. So this one I might have done that's just done the chopstick swirl in the middle or something. I don't know. Tell me what I did. So, because I haven't looked at the other videos yet. But, so it just doesn't look as fabulous as I wanted. That looks like kind of like some wicked eyes right here. Really, if you use your imagination. So we have some wicked eyes right there, maybe. And these two, that has a lot of green in it. Hoping the green will, well, that's the gray. No, is that the green? Gosh, to be honest, I can't tell you. I'm hoping that maybe these will brighten up just a little bit. I probably should have C-popped this one, but I didn't. It doesn't have as much charcoal in it. These ones don't, as I wanted. So I don't, you know, I'm not 100% happy with these. So we'll see. We'll see how they do in the markets that we're doing in the next couple of weeks. It smells amazing. Absolutely amazing. But this is just kind of like, I don't know, side cuts of meat. So I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to rework my thought process and sketching with this. So we are located on all the social medias. I mean, we have a page on Twitter, but we don't post on there. But we are located on TikTok, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. We are located, we have a shop on Etsy and Shopify. We are located on Fair, FAIRE.com/The Skin Candy. We have very low MOQs for anybody who's looking for wholesale and looking to maybe start outsourcing for their products. That is what we are here for. That is what we are designed to do here in this company, is to help you make your business better and make your business go a little more smoothly by offloading some of your work onto somebody else, us. So we can work with you on custom scents, custom blends, custom colors. We can do a certain blend of oils and butters for your soap or bath bombs, whatever you prefer. And that is what we will do for you. So if you're interested, please go to our Shopify site and fill out the contact form, and we'll be happy to get back in touch with you and send you our wholesale product sheet. Or you can go on to fair.com, where you can see the majority of what we sell there already. So until later, you take care. Have fun out in the fall. Hopefully it's getting cooler where you're at. At the time of this filming, it's still 100 degrees or more outside, which is crazy where I live. I want to put all my fall stuff up, but I feel like I just feel like I can't because it's so hot outside. I can't even go outside to garden and play with my chickens. So until then, I hope to hear from you. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload a new video. We do upload videos every Thursday morning at 8 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. So make sure that you subscribe so that you can get that alert. We have some fun soap videos coming up. We're going to be also showing you the production of the rest of our fall line, our bath bombs, our sugar whip, our sugar scrubs. We have some balms that we're going to be making for a client. I'll be showing you the process of that, or most of it. We have a lot of fun stuff coming up. We have a lot of formulations that we are starting to work on for clients. So I'm going to be bringing you along on that journey. And we want you to be part of our lives. We want you to be part of our journey. So you take care, and hopefully it's getting cooler where you are. If not, make sure you stay inside, drink lots of water, and we will see you later. Bye. Take care.